In the world of high-throughput research, efficiency is often limited by the physical constraints of the workspace. This demonstration showcases how Mecademic is redefining those boundaries as we combine ultra-compact 6-axis robotics with agile planar motor transport. In moving away from rigid sequential workflows, we are enabling optimized cycle times with increased process flexibility. Integrating planar motor technology has allowed us to move beyond fixed linear paths, allowing your samples to bypass the traditional assembly line for truly non-sequential station operation. Handle delicate laboratory samples with ease, even performing in-transit mixing to maximize your throughput. Designed for the most sensitive environments, our solution is ultra-clean and particle-free. All of this performance is delivered in an ultra-compact footprint, ensuring that even the smallest lab space can handle the biggest breakthroughs.